Hey everybody, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Another beautiful brokerage listing to show you today. This is a 2019 Robalo R302, powered by twin 300 Yamahas, 4 strokes. It's got the Optimus joystick for ease of handling around the dock. It's got the hardtop Garmin dome radar, anchor windlass, lots of other features I'll show you in a second, but those are some of the key features. It's got a bow sunshade to cover all that bow seating up there. Along with all these features, this boat is exceptionally clean. As you can see, we've got the aft bench seat right there. When not in use, you can stow it away to make this cockpit more of a fighting area for fishing. Tackle station right here with the live well, freshwater sink, another live well port side. Got a port side boarding ladder, boarding door, also for bringing in big fish. Got a real nice size pull out Yeti cooler on rollers. When you're done with it, locks back in place. Really nice feature. Up on the hardtop, along with the WetSounds speaker bar, you've got the powder coated rocket launcher with the Kingfisher angled rod holders on the sides. You got LED spreader lights. Really good looking hardtop here. Lots of handles, lots of lights. Obviously you've got the speakers and everything. Moving forward to the helm, twin bolsters, real nice size leading post here. As I said, you've got the Optimus 360 joystick. You got the digital throttle and shift Yamaha binnacles, LED indicated trim tabs. You've got all your switches for your lights here on the starboard side. 2 Garmin MFDs with radar, GPS, fish finder, everything built in. On this side, you've got your pumps and some other controls, easy access. Got your stereo control, lock and glove box. Throw your phones and wallets in there. Nothing will slide out. You've got auxiliary port, 12-volt outlet for charging things. Total hours on the motors, currently 254, just about. Got your Optimus digital display and the Optimus steering. Handles very nicely. Up top, we've got more storage. Looks like we've got some binoculars. Garmin VHF unit right there, easy access. Full glass windshields. And you've also got the opening vent in case you get hot or you want some breeze. Got your Ritchie compass here, padded. Usually where phones and other stuff get thrown on a day offshore. Really clean boat. So you've got the sub under by the captain's feet. Let's take a look in these fish boxes here. Super clean, macerated fish boxes. Obviously a bunch of cleaning supplies and fenders in there right now. We stow this bench away, lift up the backrest, slides right in, and that keeps it from falling down. In this center hatch, got bilge access and all of your batteries. Another fish box here. Moving forward, you can see that the hardtop extends so that you stay in the shade on your way up. Got nice curtains in great shape. Moving to the bow area. Nice wraparound bow seating. More WetSound speakers. Really good looking console here. Look up top. Got Garmin dome radar. I'll check out the head in a second. All the way forward, you've got windlass, anchor locker, windlass controls, pop-up stainless cleats. Tons of room to walk around on here. Even as we go back towards the console, non-skid, really nice wide, stable, and safe. I feel very comfortable up here. Stepping back down, got storage under all of the seating as well as this huge storage compartment. Got a bunch of life jackets, but also the bow filler cushion to convert this area into one big sun pad. So combine that with the bow shade, you've got a very, very comfortable spot to hang out. Bunch of cup holders and everything, as well as trash compartment, tackle storage, port side. Opening the console to the head compartment, step down. Really impressed with how much headroom there is in here. We got plenty of room above me. Not that I'm the tallest guy, but freshwater sink, storage, rod holders, port light. Really clean space. Just a clean boat in general. Upholstery's in great shape. Owner takes very good care of this boat. Storage under here. R302. Robalo makes a great boat. Makes an even better boat when you take very good care of it like this owner does. Freshwater wash down on the transom as well. Really nice space. Lots of great features on this boat. Available for immediate delivery. So guys, if you have any questions about this, feel free to give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2019 Robalo R302 here in beautiful Wilmington, North Carolina. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, like I said, give me a call, 239-249-4345. Let's get you out on the water. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.